In a major political shift, leaders and supporters of All India Trinamool Congress in Umroi constituency have parted ways with the party to form the Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, UCPF. The move comes after former MLA George B. Lyngdoh's defeat in the 2023 State Assembly elections as the new forum prepares for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025. Speaking to the media, former MLA George B. Lyngdoh explained that the decision to leave AITC was made under extensive consultation with local leaders and supporters. An election committee has been set up to review and finalize candidates for the MDC elections, inviting applications for thorough scrutiny, he added.
Then Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum hadirin kejing selok bak kejing ajimut jong ki paiba jong nang aim sim bat kinong ilam kejongi hakeleng jong ni Umroi Constituency ke be kejongi garai banyeng independent no hakani ko Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum adega forum ke balai lu forum independent bat hak juga po umbraong i president mentan ni don lu kejing tu menang yai syakri ke konstituensi hagi bentai ke bofer bat kawe ni kita kilat syakri kan long abangin penyang no jong pertong hak ni election MDC hajar apusan.